Hey guys, John here from Dilate. Today I'm going to talk to you about Google Shopping. So what is Google Shopping? Google Shopping is an online platform where online sellers or e-commerce stores can use to upload their products and sell it to anybody who's searching on Google. So what does Google Shopping do? Google Shopping enables searchers to search, view, and compare any products being sold by any merchant online. What do you need to have to get started with Google Shopping? First, you need to have an online store or an e-commerce shop. It could be a Shopify website, a WooCommerce website, or a Magento website. Second is you need to have a Google Merchant account. A Google Merchant account is simply a database of your products that you tell Google to list on the search results. Third, you need to have a Google AdWords account. The Google AdWords account is your ad-serving platform where all the listed products on your merchant center is being advertised to and being served to the public. Is Google Shopping an effective advertising platform? The answer to that is yes. 90% of the retailers or e-commerce shops online are using Google Shopping as their number one method of selling their products to their market. An average conversion rate in Google Shopping is around 3.5%, which makes it extremely profitable as an online merchant. So if you want to know more about Google Shopping, contact us today and find out more.